Welcome back to Financify. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Safepal wallet account on your mobile device. Let's get started. First, launch the app. When you open the app, you will see two options, Create Wallet and Import Wallet. Choose Create Wallet. Next, enter a strong password for your wallet. Make sure it's secure as this will protect your account. Confirm your password and tap Next. Then, set up your username. Then tap Continue. This is a critical step. Safepal will show you a unique recovery phrase. Write it down and keep it in a safe place. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access to your account. So, never share it with anyone. Tap Next once you have saved it. Safepal will now ask you to confirm your recovery phrase. Just tap the words in the correct order to confirm. When you are done, tap Complete or Verify to move on. And that's it. Your Safepal wallet is now created and ready to use. You can now send, receive, and store cryptocurrencies securely. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Financify for more guides like this, and hit the bell icon to get notified about new videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.